Hello friends, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 10th standard unit-5 book back one words தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். First choose the correct answer. First question, when a sound wave travels through air, the air particles, correct answer option A, vibrate along the direction of the wave motion. Second question, the velocity of sound in a gaseous medium is 330 meter per second if the pressure is increased by 4 times without causing a change in the temperature. The velocity of sound in the gas is option A, 330 meter per second. Third question, the frequency which is audible to the human ear is option B, 20 kilohertz. Fourth question, the velocity of sound in air at a particular temperature is 330 meter per second. What will be its value when temperature is doubled and pressure is halved? Answer is option C, 330 into root 2 meter per second. Fifth question, if a sound wave travels with a frequency of 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Hz at 344 meter per second, the wavelength will be answer option C, 0.02752 meter. Sixth question, the sound waves are reflected from an obstacle into the same medium from which they were incident. Which of the following change? Option D, none of these. Seventh question, the velocity of sound in the atmosphere of a planet is 500 meter per second. The minimum distance between the source of sound and the obstacle to hear the echo should be option C, 25 meter. Next, filling the blanks. First question, rapid back and forth motion of the particle about its mean position is called vibration. Second question, if the energy in a longitudinal wave travels from south to north, the particles of the medium would be vibrating in north to south. Third question, a vessel giving out a sound of frequency 450 Hz approaches a stationary observer at a speed of 33 meter per second. The frequency heard by the observer is speed of sound is equal to 330 meter per second. Answer 500 Hz. Fourth question, a source of sound is traveling with velocity 40 km per hour towards an observer and emits a sound of frequency 2000 Hz. If the velocity of sound is 1220 km per hour, then the apparent frequency heard by the observer is 2068 Hz. Next, true or false? If false, give the reason. First question, the sound can travel through solids, gases, liquids and even vacuum. Answer false. Correct statement, the sound can travel through solids, gases, liquids and cannot travel through vacuum. Otherwise இந்த கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இப்படி கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். சவுண்ட் கேன் ட்ராவல் த்ரூ சாலிட், கேஸஸ் அண்ட் லிக்விட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். இதை கட் பண்ணிடலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வேவ்ஸ் கிரியேட்டட் பை எர்த்குவேக்ஸ் ஆர் இன்ஃப்ராசோனிக். ஆன்சர் ட்ரூ. Third question, the velocity of sound is independent of temperature. Answer false. Answer, the velocity of sound is velocity of sound depend of temperature. So next question, the velocity of sound is high in gases than liquids. False. The velocity of sound is high in liquids. than gases. Next, match the following. First one, infrasonic 10 Hz, echo, ultrasonography, ultrasonic 22 kilohertz, high pressure region, compression. Next, assertion and reason questions. First question, assertion: the change in air pressure affects the speed of sound. Reason: the speed of sound in a gas is proportional to the square of the pressure. So, in the answer option D. Assertion is false, but the reason is true. So, next one, assertion: sound travels faster in solids than in gases. Reason: solid possesses a great density than that of a gases. So in answer option B. If both the assertion and the reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Thank you, friends.